please start. As you wish. நீங்க வந்து introduce பண்ணிட்டு you can do it. Okay.
Hello, Jyotika. I'm able to get some messages also. Okay, hello, good morning. Now
Morning,
first, good morning. There are many people to join. We'll wait for 5 minutes. Let everybody join, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. After each talk, I'll give some time for you people to ask any questions. You can ask, okay?
Yeah, ma'am, sure.
Niranjan, Sai Shweta. Okay, Divya. Okay. Selva Kumar, is it? Sweetie, Ebziba. Okay. Shubha, Harini, Shri Kailash. How is your crash course going on?
Good, ma'am.
Good. Okay. See, this you all have finished your 12th, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You all want to enter into MBBS, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Very good. First of all, congrats. You have selected a very... You're able to hear me?
Yeah, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
No, my voice is not clear, ma'am.
My voice is not clear?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, 1 second. Now is it okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First of all, I congrats you people for selecting such a good subject, okay? MBBS is like every day you learn. It is not only after NEET, it is not before NEET, it is always. You learn lifelong. Every day you have something to learn, okay? And now you know all this corona crisis and all is going on. And I'm very thankful for you people first to select this subject. You want to enter into MBBS itself is something, not everybody do it, okay? So now what I want to tell you about NEET is, don't get panic about NEET. It is not everybody is going to write NEET. It is only selected people who are going to write NEET. In that selected people, only some know what is NEET exam, how to go about through NEET exam. It is same your physics, chemistry, mathematics and biology you are going to study. Nothing new. If you want to enter into your MBBS field, there is no need of maths and you can go only through biology, okay? I need your more concentration on biology than any other subject, okay? Physics will be little tough because there will be lot of solution like following and maybe you will feel it tough. I felt personally... Yes? You're not able to hear me?
No, ma'am. It's clear, ma'am, now.
It's clear, no? Okay. I heard some ma'am. For what?
Yes, ma'am. Physics is somewhat tough, ma'am. Little bit.
Yeah, physics. Okay, physics will be little tough only. You concentrate, people who are feeling physics and stuff, concentrate more on biology. Okay, biology, if you're doing very well biology, that will not be, no need to mind about your physics and all. Okay, but if you're bad even at biology, then it will become very difficult. So concentrate more on your biology group than physics and chemistry, because physics is going to be tough only. So you be prepared. It is like maths. So you be prepared that physics paper is going to be tough and you concentrate for that. And if you have any papers or you ask your friends what all questions they had, the questions will be going to be similar questions only. It is not going to be new questions. I had personally done my MBBS in Karnataka, where you people are facing NEET now, but we used to face COMET-K and CET exam in Karnataka even before. So we always had some entrance exam to get into MBBS. It was usually your physics, chemistry, and biology. And I think there is no negative markings right now.
No, ma'am, we have, ma'am.
You have. It was only for PG exams they told it is negative. You just check out it. They have changed something in NEET.
No, Shubha, negative marking இருக்கு இதுல.
இருக்கா?
Negative marking is there. இருக்கு
Okay.
இருக்கு. So each question carries 4 marks. Negative marking -1 will be there.
-1 will be there.
Yes.
Okay. It is totally they'll be having 300 questions, right?
So it is actually on the 180 questions. So PG was different case. So
Okay,
PG was
PG
different.
is
So
300
usually only it is
questions.
180. Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay.
So for this now, physics are 45, chemistry is 45, and biology is 90 questions.
Okay. 180 questions and negative will be -1.
Yes, negative marking is there.
What I explained to them is let them finish when you get your question paper, don't get panic. You finish all your positive ones, which all you know, questions you've just finished with that question, then you wait for which all you don't know. And see, people, according to Tamil Nadu, I'll tell you how it is. In Tamil Nadu, not everybody will select MBBS. In that, not everybody from village, everybody is going to select your MBBS. Next, they were not trained for NEET, so nothing to panic. People who have got trained in NEET exam or some crash course is better than the one who have not done anything at all. So you be confident enough. You have any questions to ask me also, you can just tell ma'am 1 second and you can ask any questions.
Is marks are based on caste or only the NEET marks?
No, this is going to be like a percentile marks. They're going to calculate everybody's rank and then they're going to give a percentage. 50% is needed in your exams in all the 3 subjects. Then you will get a good rank. So if there is 180 questions, half of it, 50% should be correct. First, make sure 50% of your answer should be correct for you to get any one quota seat. Okay. Next, yes, it is little favorable to some caste also, but it is not too much. So nothing to worry about caste and all. Marks is more needed. 50% above marks is really needed.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. You ask me questions, so that will be easy for me. Otherwise, it is like a normal exam. The thing is, you will have a negative markings. That's all. And the only thing NEET has become one big thing was because before in Tamil Nadu there was no NEET. Now it has started, so it is going to be like panicking you people. But it is same exam. However you write your public exam, that is same way. In other states, it's not so difficult, or it is not. Nobody is talking about NEET because other state usually they had some entrance exam to come out.
Ma'am, how to manage time in each subjects, ma'am? That is physics, chemistry, and biology.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. Concentrate more on biology first. Biology, it's going to be same questions from the textbook. They're not going to ask you which blood group. If you are A positive, your father is A positive, what will be the blood group of the daughter? They're not going to ask you like MBBS question. It is going to be biology, what you study from the textbook only. So what you do is concentrate more on biology to take good marks compared to physics and chemistry. Yes, physics and chemistry is not going to be the same as textbook. They're going to ask some questions from outside also.
Ma'am, there are 180 questions and it should be written for 180 minutes. Okay. How to manage the time efficiently?
That's what I'm telling you. In 180 questions, you concentrate more on what you know first. Don't waste your time. So in that 1 minute, if you know the answer, it is going to be 1 second marking. Okay, if you know the answer, it is going to be 1 second to tick the answer. So it is not going to waste your time. Then spend time on which all you don't know. And make it sure you're not, if you have if you have doubt about the answer, don't mark, because at least you will be saving that -1 marks.
Yes.
Don't go in through that you have to answer all the question. No, it is not like that. answering even 50% correct answer is more than enough than answering all the question and making 50% pass and their 50% wrong answers.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what to do for problems, ma'am? In physics, chemistry, problem sums they'll ask, no?
That's what I'm telling you. In physics and chemistry, yes. In the exam, you will remember me. It is going to make you confusions only, okay? And it is going to be little tough, okay? Until and unless you're very thorough with your physics, it is going to be little tough. So be prepared, seeing that physics is going to be tough. You go like that as a max paper itself. Okay, but you have to solve, and then only you will learn. Even if you solve 100 problems, 101 will be difficult only in physics.
Ma'am, what about chemistry, ma'am?
Chemistry, it's chemistry same like textbook only. 1 or 2 you may get outside, that's all. But biology and chemistry, it's okay. Only physics, I'm telling you, it will be like max and it will be little tough.
Ma'am, so no worry about biology and chemistry, ma'am.
Okay, something has happened. Just wait. She will going to connect. Some network issues are there, I think so. Just wait for 1 second. 1 minute. Yes, Shubha. Mute.
Sorry, some problem with the network. Yeah, tell.
Yeah, okay, no issues, man. Yeah. Some network issues are there. Yeah, please continue. Continue.
Ma'am, ma'am, how much marks should we take out of 720 to enter in a government college, ma'am?
To enter into a government college, you really need 70% marks. And then the other thing is, if all the students are doing well in the exam, your percentile will increase, right? It is only after you people write the exam, we will come to know.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
See, for MBBS, I will tell you, government or private. Yes, government is good. Nothing wrong in going into a government college. But it is same. For MBBS, you don't worry. You're going into a government college. You're going into a private college. It is like you're going to sit and study. It is same like your 12th. The only thing is, in government college, you will get more exposure. In a private college, you will get less exposure. Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you got it?
Ma'am, they'll see caste wise, ma'am.
That's what I'm telling
marks,
you. It is not
caste
like marks caste wise, but some priority is given for some caste, I think.
Ma'am, for SC, how much marks we have to take, ma'am?
SC, if you get more than 50%, it is more than enough. 50 to 60.
For BC?
BC will be like 65, I think.
Okay, ma'am.
If we get less than our caste marks, is it difficult to get into it?
It is difficult to get into a government college, not a private college.
Ma'am, which is best, government college or private colleges?
That's what I'm telling you. Government or private is not important for MBBS. You need only for your PG.
Okay.
So when I did my MBBS, my college, there was only, it was very nearby to my house. So I selected my college. And it was only like 4 pass out was there from that college. So I studied in that college in Bangalore. But it was not tough. Even teachers will teach you wherever you go, you're going to go and see a patient. So nobody is like, they will not teach you nothing. In government college, yes, the exposure will be more than a private college. But it doesn't matter you going into a private college or a government college. You want to become a doctor, that's all. Now keep it in your mind. See, nobody is going to come and ask you, will your patient be, you're going to a doctor. Are you asking your doctor which college you study?
No, ma'am.
Your mother is going for a hospital. Is she asking all the doctors which college she studied?
No, ma'am.
Nobody is going to ask you.
Study,
No, ma'am.
ma'am, if we study UG in private and if we study PG in government, is it possible?
Yes,
Or,
why not? Yes, why not? We have all done that only.
Okay, ma'am.
Now you're all small kids, Ra. Don't get worried about all those things. You study well. How you are concentrating now on it, the same way you concentrate on your MBBS also, you'll all become a wonderful doctors.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, how to put daily schedule for studying, ma'am?
See, some people will study
For 3
only at
subjects.
night. Some people will study only at night. Some people will study only at the morning. But what I tell you, you divide your timings. Each subject you spend at least 5 hours per day. Yes, this is going to be tough. You're in lockdown, so no malls, no shopping, nothing doing except studying. You ask your parents, you ask your brother, everybody to help you with some schematic diagrams. You mark some flow charts, which will be easy for you. I know you can't study continuously for 24 hours. Take a break for each subject. What you have studied per day, at least night once you recall and then have a sleep.
Ma'am, if we took more marks in biology and less marks in chemistry and physics, means that's okay, ma'am?
No problem, no problem.
The main thing is biology is important, ma'am.
Yes. Biology, you can, not important, you can gain easily marks.
If in boards, what are the main subjects which we will be seeing, ma'am?
In where?
For colleges, what are the main subjects we'll be seeing?
In MBBS?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
MBBS, you don't study physics, you don't study chemistry, you don't study biology. MBBS is totally different. You have anatomy, physiology, biochemistry in first year.
No, ma'am, not that, ma'am. For entering into the college, what are the main subjects they'll be seeing, ma'am?
Physics, chemistry, and biology. Main thing is your biology.
Ma'am, I'm pure science. I've took microbiology as my second core subject. So, will they see microbiology?
Yes, why not? They'll see.
Okay, ma'am. So if we get more percentage in biology as well as microbiology, would I get seat?
Yeah, why not? You will get.
Okay, ma'am.
You're more better, no? Pure science you have taken up.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Which is more better, ma'am? Biomax or pure science?
Max
For
is tough for
MBBS.
me also.
Yes,
so,
ma'am.
so actually for most of the doctors, Max is tough. Okay. Half of them would have selected to escape from Max. I am also one of the girl who wanted to escape from Max. So pure science, I go through pure science.
Ma'am.
Yes.
What is the stream difference between MBBS and BDS, ma'am?
See, MBBS is you have to see all the parts of the body except your tooth. BDS is only tooth. You will be seeing only your oral cavity, not any other.
Ma'am, ophthalmology specialist, ma'am.
Ophthalmology is once you you have any course after 12th for ophthalmology. It is like after MBBS, right?
Yes, ma'am. It is after MBBS, ma'am.
It is before MBBS?
No, ma'am.
Ophthalmology is only after MBBS you can select.
Do we have scope for BDS now? Is it?
Yes, why not? You can get settled well in foreign.
No, ma'am. Not going in foreign and all, ma'am. Is it possible here itself? Like because
here itself, yes. Yes, but even in BDS, there are a lot of courses which have come now. It is not, nobody is going to go for now for BDS. It is like MDS. You have to do master in something, master in oral cavity, orofacial surgeon, something you have to do extra for you to see. Each and every day there is one course which is coming. Now I have done MBBS, I've done MS obstetrics and gynecology. Every day doing cesarean and hysterectomy is not something. So I'm going to study next for IVF. So each and every day one course is going to come up. Even in BDS it is the same. That's why I told you MBBS is a course like every day you have to study.
Ma'am, is 6 years for MBBS, ma'am? Because it's confusing, ma'am. Some are saying 5 years, some are saying
It is 5.5 years.
so half year for internship.
No, it is not half year for internship. It is like first year is 1 year, second year is 1.5 years.
Like 1 year, we have to study the before one also.
No, not like that. First year you will be studying 3 subjects. Okay, that's all. Second year will be 4 subjects and you will be taking 1.5 years to complete that 4 subjects.
Okay, ma'am.
Whole second year itself is 1.5 year. Third year is 1 year, fourth year is 1 year. If you finish first year and second year successfully in MBBS, you think you have finished MBBS.
So they after finishing that MBBS, they'll tell us which we are good in, right?
Not
Or-
like that. You have to select. You will not know until you finish all the 4 years which you like.
Okay, ma'am.
First year you will be anatomy, physiology and biochemistry. So you will not be seeing a patient. You will be seeing only dead bodies, cadaver, forensic science and all. Second year you will be going into pathology, microbiology, pharmacology and forensic science. In forensic science you will be dealing about how did the death occur, like whether it was hanging, poisoning and all. Pharmacology is studying about your drugs, what drug to give for what. Is paracetamol and any other drug contraindicated, for whom you should give, whom you should not give any drugs. They'll be teaching about it. Microbiology, you'll be studying about which bacteria is causing, which fungi is causing. And then pathology is they tell no, they have removed cyst from the uterus, they have removed uterus. We don't throw that. We do some tests to find out whether carcinoma is there or any other change is there. You study about that. So these 2 years you will not be seeing any patient. From third year, you will be seeing all the patients.
Ma'am, chemistry, we should be good in chemistry, ma'am. No need, ma'am, or because I'm very weak.
No. Nothing like you are good in physics or chemistry and biology, you will become a good doctor. It is totally different from what you are studying now. It is all only for you to get into MBBS. That's all. After that, little of biology is needed. And chemistry you need in pharmacology. Second, that's all. Nothing else is needed. Physics have not applied here anywhere. So nothing to worry about physics. But chemistry and biology, yes, somewhere it has got used also.
Ma'am, in physics and chemistry, they don't ask like theory questions, ma'am. Only they will ask some, ma'am.
They will ask. No, they will ask.
Hot question, ma'am.
In 100 marks of physics, there will be 30% only of sums. The others and all will be a theory questions only.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, most of them were saying neat questions, mainly the physics and chemistry will confuse everything, ma'am.
Physics and chemistry will
confuse, ma'am.
Yes, that's what I'm telling you here. You concentrate more on biology to get very good marks. If you get in biology 90 marks and then in physics and chemistry 45 marks, that is more than enough, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, how will they divide the questions, ma'am? Like if it is fully biology, the first part will be biology, or it will be mixed up?
It will be mixed up. It will be mixed up. More of biology only will be there.
From the first, ma'am?
Yeah, from the first.
Ma'am, some of them are telling they'll concentrate more on physics, chemistry. Is that true?
Because it is going to be tough. So biology, you people will study. Always your eyes is going to be the same position. It is not going to change. You are going to have 10 fingers. Sometimes occasionally 11 fingers. That's all. This is all not going to change. But physics and chemistry, each sum will be different. So they are telling you to concentrate on more if you are weak.
Ma'am, what are the good colleges we know, ma'am, for government? Because
in Chennai.
In Chennai, ma'am. In Chennai as well as in some districts.
See, Stanley in all college, state government college is very good. Like BMC, Bangalore Medical College, then Karnataka Medical College, then you go for Tamil Nadu, MMC is good, Madras Medical College, Stanley is good, Keel Park is good. But I'll tell you, in Stanley, there are a lot of caseloads. Chengalpat Medical College is good. Any government college, there will be caseload. If you are seeing in a private college 100 cesarean per month, in government college, you will be seeing 100 cesarean per day. Both are same. You're going to see a cesarean 100%. But the thing is, where you see more, that's all. You keep putting, you keep doing the same work, you will learn more, right? That's all. Nothing different. You're going to go and learn anywhere you go, even in a private college, even in a government college. I don't tell that government college students are very good, private college students are bad. It is like if you have interest, even in a private college, you can become a best doctor.
Ma'am, is there any scope for homeopathy?
Homeopathy, in another some years, homeopathy, Siddha, Unani, everything is going to come up. But personally speaking, I tell you, if you get an MBBS seat, go for allopathy than any other thing.
Okay, ma'am.
This is my personal things for you people. People will convince you telling physiotherapy is also a doctor. Don't go into MBBS, go into physiotherapy. No, don't go in all such things. If you have any problem, you contact me. I will tell you which to. I'll guide you. But don't get into trouble when you have an MBBS seat going to Unani or going to Siddha or going to homeopathy and waste your degree.
Ma'am, some people are scared of blood and all, ma'am. So if they go for homeopathy, is it good?
People who are going to go for homeopathy also are going to see blood.
Okay.
How can a doctor not see blood? He is going to see.
Okay, ma'am, fine.
Ma'am, is there any best medical courses other from MBBS?
After MBBS or before MBBS?
Before MBBS.
There is
Paramedical courses, ma'am.
Paramedical courses, sir. Hey, you're all NEET students. Why are you going through paramedical students? You will all get into NEET. First, be positive. Study well.
No, ma'am. Just for
reference, ma'am.
When you have your aim as MBBS, don't come down of that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And second thing, yes, paramedical course is equally good. Good means it is not doctor. You first understand that doctors are doctors only, paramedicals are paramedics only. I am not degrading anybody. I'm just telling, when you have an aim to become a doctor, don't come down of it. Okay. See, there is something called after they have something called ophthalmology. Something is there where you study about the glasses what an ophthal doctor will use to check them. Okay. And then there is something in dialysis unit which you can get into after 12. There is nursing which is there after 12. But all these things are also 4.5 years. So doctor is also 5.5 years. If you get through MBBS, if you have an aim of MBBS, nothing wrong in even waiting 1 year and going into medical field. If I would have not got into my NEET, I would have waited even 10 years and got into MBBS only. I know so many who have finished 5 years engineering, 4 years engineering, worked in Satyam, come back to MBBS college, did MBBS, and now with the MBBS degree. It is passion, that's all.
Ma'am, will everyone
Who
will
was
get?
the one? Who was the one who asked me that? Tell me any other paramedic course.
It's me, ma'am.
What's your name?
Priyanka.
Priyanka, I want you to get into MBBS only.
Okay, sure, ma'am.
You have to study well, okay?
Okay.
Throw all other thoughts. I want you to call me personally and tell, yes, you are Dr. Priyanka today.
Sure, ma'am, sure.
Okay, okay.
Will everyone? Because it's difficult now. Competition is coming up, ma'am. 75%
Yeah, it is
are
difficult.
already-
Yeah, the fittest will survive. That is all going on.
Oh, ma'am, 75% of the people who are writing second time, ma'am. So for first time people, it will be difficult to get into it, right, ma'am?
You have given more preference than them. You know that?
No, we don't know, ma'am.
How,
You
ma'am?
are given more preference than them.
Oh, the percentage is different for them also, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. What is when they are writing second time? Why we should not write second time and get into an MBBS seat? Don't think you are wasting 1 year. In MBBS, you are going to waste 10 years to become a full successful doctor. MBBS is not important. 5.5 years of MBBS, then 3 years of PG. For PG, you are going to write NEET. Again, you're going to waste 1 year because everybody is not going to get in first attempt because PG seats are very less. So you will be wasting that 1 year. You think you are wasting that 1 year here and get into MBBS, and PG you go through gold medal of MBBS.
Ma'am, for BDS, after we have to do MD, no, ma'am. So do we have exam for that also?
Yes, yes.
Like NEET or it's different?
It's different. It's easier only. Dental students will be little bit very happier. It is not like MBBS as tough. So not everybody go into MDS. So if you finish orofacial maxillary surgeon and all, no, you will be more like MBBS only.
Ma'am, is there NEET PG? I am being heard about it.
I didn't get you.
Ma'am, is there any exam like NEET PG?
Huh.
I am being heard about it.
You want to know about any other exams, which is that AIMS is there, JIPMER is there.
No, ma'am. After MBBS, some people say that there is another exam called NEET PG.
NEET PG, yeah, yes, NEET PG is also same like your NEET, but you'll be writing your MBBS subject. It is tough because, not because the questions will be tough, seats are very less. Like I selected gynec. To get gynec, I spent more than 1.5 or 2 years to get my gynec seat. I was working for those 2 years and then only I did my MSOG and I have passed. So it is like, yes, you'll be wasting some time because the seats are less. If you want a government college, you'll be waiting for more time.
Ma'am, to complete BDS and MDS, what are the full, how much year it will happen? How much year it will take?
MDS is BDS is 4 years, and then 4.5, I think. And then MDS is 3 years. Any other thing?
Ma'am, do we have many MD courses coming up for BDS and all, dental? Or it is
No,
given
it is
already?
like you have to do your BDS. After BDS, you can select whichever subject you want.
Is there new anything, ma'am, coming up or only already is done?
I didn't get you.
Ma'am, is there any new courses for MD?
MD, yeah? Like after your MBBS, you're asking?
No, after BDS.
After BDS, there are many here. Now it has come as the orofacial maxillary surgeon is there. Orofacial surgeon is there. Then only maxillary is there. Only for tooth also you have root canal. So many things are there.
Okay, ma'am.
Much of BDS I don't know because we are into MBBS field. So I don't know about dental so many things. But yes, dental is also going on well only. People in India don't spend much for dental, but now it is improving.
Ma'am, after
Yes, tell me.
finishing MBBS, can we attempt for IAS exams?
Why not? There are many of my friends who are going for IAS exams also.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, what made dentistry so important such that it made a as separate course rather than MBBS?
I didn't get you.
Ma'am, what made dentistry as a separate course to make it separate from MBBS? Why did they consider dentistry separately from MBBS?
Why did they? I didn't get you.
Why did they separate dentistry from MBBS?
Why did they separate MBBS from BDS, sir?
Okay, Anant, if you have any issues with your voice, please type here. Okay, then she can able to see that. Okay, so maybe because of the network issues, something will be there. Okay, so better you just type it if you cannot able to deliver the question.
Yeah,
Okay, no issues.
I
You can
can
type
get the
there.
message also.
If we do BDS in private colleges, is it good or government is good?
BDS in private college? BDS in private college is nothing wrong. You can do in a private college. Yes. I got his question. Actually, why they've separated BDS from MBBS, right? Anand?
Yes, ma'am.
Is dentistry made serious? You have asked. Okay. See, yes, it is made separate because there are much more things on face and very minute things compared to the whole body. It is not that it is given less important, nothing like that. See, after you finish your MBBS, you have become a cardiologist. It doesn't mean that only heart is important and nerves is not important. Neurologist is also there. It is just like the field is made better and easier. That's all. You can't learn the whole face and the body and the tooth and go into and finish MBBS. So they have divided. That's it.
Yes, ma'am.
And dentistry is not something bad. It is improving now. I have seen somebody sending, I want to become cardiologist. Okay, first, congrats. Don't keep up your aim. You have to finish MBBS. You have to do MD medicine. And then you have to do cardiology. So you are going to spend more than 10 years in your to become a cardiologist. First, be prepared.
To become gynecologist?
For becoming gynecologist also, after your 5 years MBBS, you have to get, if you want to get a PG seat, you have to wait. And then if you get through first attempt, it is going to be 3 years. So it will go to be 8 to 9 years you are going to spend on gynecologist. For cardiologist, you are going to spend 12 years. For neurology, you are going to spend 12 years.
Ma'am, what's about ortho specialist?
Hey, it's a girl, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What's your name?
Harini, ma'am.
Harini, you're strong. What is your weight?
Nearly 45, I think so, ma'am.
Hey, Harini, you have to become very strong, like guys, to become an orthopedician. Yes, even I wanted to become an orthopedician. It's a very good subject because no female will select, and you will be the queen of the department because there will be no female faculties also. It is like all girls will select gynecology and all boys will select ortho. But if you become orthopedician, really I want to meet you once.
Ma'am, how much year it takes, ma'am?
For ortho, after your MBBS, it is 3 years.
Yes, ma'am.
And even in ortho, there are so many things now newly which has come, like spine surgeon, then knee knee replacement surgeon. So again, that you will be spending 2 years.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, is there any separate exams for ortho?
Need, and in PG need, you will be getting some list which all subjects you have got. In that you have to select yours. Dermatology, Rahmat B has told dermatology. Dermatology is also 3 years. After your MBBS, all MD, MS degree is for 3 years. Super specialty is neurology, cardiology. That is again another 2 years. What are the colleges for cardiology in Chennai? Any government college will have Stanley, Heel Park Medical College, MMC. Ma'am, for nephrology, yes, nephrology also for everywhere you have nephrology. Even in private colleges like SRM, Savita, you have. All courses of super specialty is there in government.
Ma'am, we have many branch in the MBBS, ma'am. Which is best and demand, ma'am?
Everybody wants to have a child, so my department is the best.
Ma'am, is obstetrics separate and gynecology separate, or both are same?
Both are same. Both are same. Like obstetrics is one who become pregnant. Obstetricians are one who deal the pregnancy patients. Gynecologists are people who are not pregnant. Any girl, any problem other than pregnancy is told as gynecology. Sylvia, Aditya, Shubha, Mercy, Chandini, Harini, no questions?
Ma'am? Ma'am, in ortho, we have to write any exam, ma'am, after NEET?
After your MBBS, yes. After your MBBS, you have to get into ortho by writing NEET PG. After that, you want to do super specialty in ortho, yes, you have to write again an exam, but it will be very easier. So nothing to worry.
Yes, ma'am.
Girls selecting ortho is very different, okay? So if you are doing ortho, it's very good. I had 2 aims to become community medicine, ortho or gynec. Like this, I had my 3 subjects. I got through gynec, so I selected gynec.
Ma'am? Ma'am, some say like after completing our MBBS, we can do a UG in foreign countries like Europe. So it is good for us to do a UG in foreign countries.
You want to do now MBBS in foreign country or PG in foreign country?
No, after completing my MBBS for the studies in foreign countries.
Okay, in after completing your MBBS, you want to go to UK, US, you have to write for UK lab exam, you have to write for US, this one, USMLE. Okay, if you are planning to go for PG, then start writing USMLE simultaneously with your MBBS. When you finish your MBBS first year, you finish your USMLE first course. When you finish your 3rd year, write the 2nd course. That time when you finish MBBS, you can write USMLE third exam and you can go and settle in UK to get a seat. But I believe in USMLE, they don't give you clinical subjects. They give you only paraclinical subjects.
Thank you, ma'am.
People who don't get MBBS here want to go foreign. Yes, you can go, but select a good place to go and do MBBS in a foreign country, because as soon as you come back from your foreign country, you have to write an MCA recognition exam in Delhi here. You have to pass that to practice in India.
Ma'am, dermatology is tough or easy, ma'am, subject?
Dermatology is very easy, but people who select dermatology is females because they don't want to work after 4 o'clock. They don't want to do night duties. No skin problem will come emergently, right? You can see any skin problem the next day. Nothing is going to happen to the patient. So it is treated as non-emergency subject and a safer subject for females. That's all. If you love a subject, then good. If you do a dermatology, yes, now cosmetology is very much growing in our state, our India also. So you can aram say go for dermatology and become a cosmetologic surgeon. Then you will be one who will be treating the heroines.
I'm out to become specialist in pathologist.
Pathology is after your MBBS, 3 years of MD you have to do, and it is not tough. It is a very good subject, because for every doctor needs one pathology in his lab, but you will not be exposed to a patient. No patient will know you, because you are the one who is going to save their life, but they will not be knowing, because you will be only sitting in the lab. Eye to eye contact of the
Philippines can be a good country for MBBS.
Which one?
Philippines, ma'am.
I personally, Philippines, Russia, yes, you can do, but you have to work hard. It is not like you just pass in Philippines. You have to be the best student, then you can get through Delhi MCA exam.
Ma'am, why ortho is different for girls?
Why ortho?
Yes.
Ortho?
Different for girls.
Why ortho is for guys?
Ma'am, why ortho is different for girls?
You just message me. Why ortho is difficult for girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Because it is something, it is like mechanical. You have to break the bones. You have to join the bones. It is like you have to put a screw. Mechanical work. You need lot of strength to break a bone of a person, to join a bone of a person. The instrument.
Ma'am, why can't girls become ortho specialist?
That's what I told you. If you become an ortho specialist, you will be queen of that department, because no much girls will select ortho.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So you will be the queen. I'm telling, it is like 100 in 100 only one girl will select ortho. Not even in 100, in 1000 one girl will select ortho.
Ma'am, it's that much demand for girls?
Not like that. It is like nobody select that subject, right? Everybody will be boys. Only you will be a girl there.
Ma'am, in ortho specialist, emergency duty is there, ma'am?
Yes, it is there, but it is not much of emergency. If somebody comes with fracture, immediately don't need to do surgery. You can do next day morning also.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Maha Chandru, Jayashri. After cardiology, I want to study more. What can I study? After cardiology also you want to study? You first come till cardiology. It will be so tough and it will be tired. You'll be fed up. After cardiology, nothing is there. You can become a cardiothoracic surgeon.
Ma'am, which is the highest degree in MBBS, ma'am?
Yes.
Which is the highest degree in MBBS? I mean, which is the highest degree in doctor?
Highest degree in doctor. That's what I'm telling you. You can study. See, first of all, there was only surgeons. Surgeons used to do all the surgery. Then came many different parts in surgeon. Cardiothoracic surgeon, then only for orthopedic surgeon, then gynecological only will do gynae cases surgeon. Then they divided. Then came now even for one finger, only for little finger specialist is there. Maybe when you people will do PG, there will be nail surgeon also.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, is MBBS difficult?
No, you watch lot of movies, then go into MBBS. What you're going to see in your eyes, you're going to do your exams. So I tell personally, I am not a first rank holder. I'm not a gold medalist in my 12th standard. But I can remember whatever I see. I see my patient with, see, if my patient's eyes are yellow, it is anemic. Or it can be jaundice. Or it,
Ma'am, practical knowledge is important, right, ma'am?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So if we are good in practical, we'll be scoring very good.
Yes, scoring marks is not at all important in MBBS. Only using your brain and being practical is more important.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, why can't average students can take, ma'am?
Who told average students can't take?
Ma'am.
I'm telling you, no, you can take.
Ma'am, NEET is common for all, na, ma'am.
NEET is?
Then why they NEET is common for all, na, ma'am?
Yeah.
Then why they are taking marks, ma'am?
NEET is, I didn't get you. NEET is common for all.
Yes, ma'am. NEET is common for all, ma'am. Then why they taking marks, ma'am?
Why they're taking marks means to see in that who is best.
Ma'am, then good students only will get into that MBBS and all, no, ma'am. No average students will get into it, right, ma'am?
Nothing
yes,
like
ma'am.
that.
Yes,
ma'am. Sorry to deceive you, Shiva. Okay, see, a simple thing, okay. Actually, I'm an engineering student. Actually, I have done my master's, actually, okay. If anyone, I like to join in MBBS. Now also, I requested Shubhashree, actually. We had a talk, actually, last year. I told her I want to become a doctor. Even though I have done my master's, I'm done my engineering background. I have core experience, IT experience, everything. Even though I am interested in MBBS. If I'm interested in MBBS, I cannot able to enter MBBS easily, right? Okay, there are some things are there, so which we need to filter it out. If it is easily available,
why you
will become
going?
MBBS. There is no value for this.
Why you want to go to running race? Everybody likes running, so for everybody they can give Olympic medal. Why they are selecting only one? Right, it's the same way. Everybody can't go into government quota because government seats are very less. It is only 100 per year. In that 100, if everybody is taking the same marks, then how can a government give them priority? So there is something called marks. That's what I told you, government or private. You have interest in doing MBBS, you go through MBBS only.
What is mean by counseling, ma'am? They said counseling.
Yeah, counseling is for your...
Yeah, ma'am, counseling is better, ma'am. Everyone is saying, ma'am, counseling is better. Why, ma'am?
Yeah. What is counseling is, see, first you are gone to, you have got a marks 100, okay. For 100 marks, you have got some 5 colleges. You have got Stanley, you have got Keel Park Medical College, you have got MMC, you have got somewhere Tanjavur Medical College, and you have got somewhere in Salem one private medical college. So 5 colleges you have got. You are staying in Salem. So you want to select Salem private colleges, not any other colleges. So you have a doubt. So what you have done at home, you have selected Salem Medical College. But you come to know more better than Salem Medical College is your government medical college. So you want to change. In counseling, if it is available, you can change. That's it. And some people will join BDS because they would have not got MBBS seat. In counseling, some girl would have joined MBBS and should have left the course. She doesn't want to continue with MBBS. So she wants to go for engineering college because she has got somewhere in Pondicherry, Jipmer, like that. So what she does, she leaves her seats and go. That empty seat you can take up once you have gone in, you have selected BDS seat also. You see to that you have some vacancy in MBBS, you can go and join. It is like that.
Ma'am, in gynecologist, emergency cases are come or not, ma'am?
Always emergency case. Every day you'll have emergency case.
So
24
based
into
on
7,
their,
if you are ready to be in hospital, you can take up gynecology. Even in this corona time, everybody are becoming pregnant, everybody having delivery, everybody having some gynecological problem. So you are always there in 24 into 7 in the hospital.
Ma'am, in NEET, why they see marks based on caste?
Some people know they are from a very background. Their background is very bad. They come from a very low people. So government has to give them something, right? For us, spending 1,000 rupees will not be much difference for them, but spending 100 rupees will be a very big thing because their parents will be very in a low workers. Like they can be one laborer, normal house laborer, or an electrician. They can't spend much money for MBBS. For them, even if they go through government quota, spending 40,000 fees will be more for them. So that is the why government has given some subsidiary. Yes, even I agree. All our students all have to study. Everything is right from our part of view, but we have to think about how to develop them. They will be always background only then. They will never come up in life. So if we at least give them some opportunity for them to come up in life, it will be better, right? It is nothing bad in making somebody who is poor to become little bit middle class.
ma'am, how much we should get cut off for entering into the government college, ma'am?
That's what I told you. This has to be, this you will come to know only when after you all write the exam, how your batch people have done. If you are 300 people, all the 300 people's marks should come. If everybody has got 96.9%, you think everybody can't go into government college. So in that 96.9%, how many people are there? They'll be first rank. Next, who will be 95.9, they'll be second rank. So the marks will come only after you people write the exam. The
So
highest
based on the percentage, they will be selecting the colleges.
Yes. Shiva, Varsha, Ananta Venkateta Subramaniam. What is your name?
Ananta Venkata Subramaniam.
Okay.
Okay. Any more doubts? Yes, ma'am. Okay. Any more doubts, students?
Ma'am, what is meant by obstetrics? Obstetrics, Kalyani Jayaraman, obstetrics is pregnancy is told as obstetrics. Any complication, pregnancy, diabetic, pregnancy, hypertension, everything. If you are pregnant, it is called obstetrics. If you are not pregnant, it is called gynecology. Niranjan has asked private college fees. Each colleges has their own fee structure because it is a private college. Government college, they will tell you it will be same per year, it will change, but it will be the same. Free quota is also there in government college. It will be very less amount, something like that. But private college, it depends on the colleges only. So you have to go and verify. Okay, all the students, all the best. Do well. Rock your exams.
Ma'am, will you please contact number?
Okay, I'll give you my contact number.
I'll share them. I'll take care of that.
Okay, Samir will take care of that. And every Sunday we will have one chat for 1 hour. Any time is fine. Even if you want to chat at evenings, it's okay. We will have every Sundays one hour session. If you have any doubts, write and keep it in a paper so that we can speak that time. Tell your friends also to join so that something will come positive out of you people. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Sure.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, Shiva. Actually, it was a experience. Actually, it was motivating. Okay, really thank you for this session.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you so much,
I
ma'am.
hope students will be. Yes, I hope students will like this session. Okay, I think there are so many questions actually. I want to talk with students separately after your session. Okay, it was really interacting, and now I'm ரொம்ப motivated. I'll write my NEET exam now again.
Okay, all the best. All the
Okay.
best. Okay, bye,
Right,
bye,
ma'am.
bye.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Thank you,
Bye,
ma'am.
Shweta.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
Bye.
so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you,
Sir.
sir.
Okay, number idu varala. Okay, actually I have seen so many questions actually, and literally after seeing her session, right, I'm afraid that physics வந்து இதுக்கு அப்புறம் கிளாसेஸ்க்கு யார் வர மாட்டாங்களோ நினைச்சிட்டு இருக்கேன். Okay, there is something. Okay, illa. Actually, it was correct only, but I told you already. Biology only it was much important topic, main subject of the biology. Okay, and she told that see you have to study for 5 hours. You have more time now. Okay, thank you sir for this interactive session. Okay, fine. But the thing is, you make yourself positive and koncham motivated. But I like this session actually. ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு, இன்ட்ரெஸ்டா இருக்கு. ஓகே, அண்ட் நான் நம்பர் நான் ஷேர் பண்ணல, ப்ளீஸ் நான் வந்து அவங்க கிட்ட நான் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணிட்டு நான் நம்பர் ஷேர் பண்றேன். ஆர்எல்ஸ் நான் வந்து ஒரு குரூப் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்றேன். ஸோ ஆஸ் அட்மின் வித் ஹர். ஓகே, ஸோ நீங்க ஏதாவது டவுட் செஷன்ஸ் ஏதாவது இருந்தா யூ கேன் டிஸ்கஸ் வித் ஹர் இன் வாட்ஸ்அப். அந்த மாதிரி நான் ஏதாவது அரேஞ்ச் பண்றேன். பிகாஸ் பயாலஜி இஸ் யுவர் மெயின் சப்ஜெக்ட் அண்ட் ஷீ கேன் ஹெல்ப் யூ, ஷீ கேன் கைட் யூ. Okay, so remember one thing, it is not about the money and it is not about something else. You need to motivate yourself and you need to study these things. That's it. So ungalukkaga idu arrange pannadu கொஞ்சம் 10 o'clock 11 o'clock கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டமா தான் இருக்கும். சண்டே டிவிஸ் எல்லாம் இருக்கும், பசிக்குது, குளிக்கல, இதுவும் நிறைய இருக்கு. பட் ஈவன் தோ இட் இஸ் ஃபார் யூ பீப்புள். ஸோ ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுங்க. அட்லீஸ்ட் இப்போ வந்து நீங்க படிச்சது ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணாலும் நம்மளுக்கு வந்து ஜூலை 26 வரைக்கும் டைம் இருக்கு. பட் ப்ளீஸ் ப்ராக்டிஸ் இட். ஓகே, நம்ம செஷன்ஸ் கம்ப்ளீட் ஆயிடும் அண்ட் ஆஃப்டர் தட் ஐ வில் பி இன் கான்டாக்ட் வித் யூ பீப்புள் ஒன்லி. நோ இஷ்யூஸ். நீங்க டவுட்ஸ் இருந்தாலும் நீங்க எடுத்துக்கொள்ளலாம். நம்ம வீடியோஸ் ஆன்லைன்ல தான் இருக்கும். அண்ட் நான் ஆல்ரெடி சொல்லிட்டேன், கிராஷ் கோர்ஸ் சொல்லும்போது 2 years சப் சிலபஸ் வந்து நம்ம அட் ஏ டைம் 1.5 yearல 1.5 hourல நம்ம கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ண முடியாது. ஓகே, 30 daysல கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ண முடியாது. ஸோ எது இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கான்செப்ட்ஸ் அது பேஸ் பண்ணி தான் போயிடும். So I'll give, and நான் ஆல்ரெடி சொல்லியிருக்கேன் உங்களுக்கு. ஸோ I'll give individual login IDs and passwords to you people. and அதுல வந்து நிறைய புக்ஸ் இருக்கு, ஆலன் புக்ஸ் இருக்கு, பிளஸ் வந்து இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கொஸ்டின் பேப்பர்ஸ் எல்லாம் இருக்கு, ஆலந்து நிறைய புக்ஸ் இருக்கு அதுல. ஸோ யூ கேன் கோ த்ரூ தட். எல்லா சப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ் இருக்கு, பிசிக்ஸ் மட்டும் கிடையாது, எல்லா சப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ் இருக்கு. டுமாரோ ஐ ஷேர் யூ இன் மை கிளாஸ். ஓகே, இண்டிவிஜுவலா உங்க நேம் ஐடி நான் வந்து ஷேர் பண்றேன். ஓகேவா? அண்ட் பாஸ்வேர்ட்ஸ் நான் கொடுத்ததுக்கு அப்புறமா டோன்ட் யூஸ் ஆர் டோன்ட் கிவ் தோஸ் பாஸ்வேர்ட்ஸ் டு அதர் பீப்புள் ப்ளீஸ். ஓகே, அண்ட் டெஸ்ட்ஸ் எல்லாமே இனிமே ஆன்லைன் தான் நம்ம பிளான் பண்றோம். ஸோ கொஸ்டின் பேப்பர்ஸ் வந்து உங்களுக்கு ஆன்லைன்ல இருக்கும். ஏதாவது டவுட்ஸ் இருந்தால் யூ கேன் ஆஸ்க் மீ. ஓகே, ரைட் மா? ஓகே, ஐ ஹோப் இட் வாஸ் யூஸ்ஃபுல் டு யூ. ஓகே, ஸோ ஏதாவது இருந்தால் ஃபீட்பேக் இருந்தால் நீங்க வாட்ஸ்அப்ல கொடுங்க. ஓகே, அண்ட் ஆஸ் யூஷுவல் நான் வந்து ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணிருக்கேன் இந்த செஷன். ஓகே, ஐ வில் அப்லோட் திஸ் செஷன் இன் யூடியூப். ஓகே, ஜஸ்ட் கோ த்ரூ திஸ் தம் அகைன். ஓகே, அண்ட் ஆனா நான் பார்த்துட்டே இருக்கேன் ஆக்சுவலி ஹரிணி ரைட்? ஆர்த்தோ?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Harini, she won't forget you. Okay, she really like you actually. Okay, so please, sir, previous year question படிச்சா போதுமா? No ma, previous year question paper படிச்சா மட்டும் பாஸ் பண்ண முடியாது and clear பண்ண முடியாது. previous year and as well as நான் திரும்பி சொல்றேன், நம்ம வந்து போர்டு பேப்பர், நம்ம ஸ்டேட் போர்டு இல்ல NCERT போர்டு பேப்பர்ஸ் CBSE கொஸ்டின்ஸ் எழுதுறோம்ல, அதுல வந்து ப்ரீவியஸ் கொஸ்டின் பேப்பர்ஸ் மட்டும் படிச்சா போதும். அது வேற பேட்டர்ன், இது வேற பேட்டர்ன். இதுல வந்து நீங்க ப்ரீவியஸ் கொஸ்டின் பேப்பர் படிச்சா you'll get the experience, அவ்வளவுதான். தவிர இந்த மாதிரி வரும் தெரியும் தவிர இதுதான் வரும் நம்ம சொல்ல முடியாது. அதுதான் டிஃபரன்ஸ் நீட்டுக்கு ஸ்டேட் போர்டுக்கு, ஐ மீன் உங்க போர்டு எக்ஸாம்ஸ்க்கு. ஓகேவா? right? So நான் திரும்பி சொல்றேன், நீங்க கொஞ்சம் practice பண்ணுங்க. I'll share you all the things, whatever the details I have with me. Okay, I'll share you. So physics மட்டும் கிடையாது, I'll try to support you for other subjects also. Okay, so நான் வந்து எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்றேன் இந்த பேட்ச்ல அட்லீஸ்ட் ஒரு 10 to 15 மெம்பர்ஸ் வந்து கிளியர் பண்றீங்க. நீட் கிளியர் பண்றது எல்லா பேரும் பண்றோம். ரிமெம்பர், மினிமம் நீங்க வந்து 50%. ஓகே, ஸோ சுபஸ்ரீ மேம் சொன்ன மாதிரி அவங்க, ஸோ நீங்க வந்து எல்லா சப்ஜெக்ட்ல மினிமம் 50% எடுத்தாலே யூ வில் பி கிளியர்ட். ஸோ 120 மார்க்ஸ் அரௌண்ட். ஸோ எல்லா சப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ் எது 120 or 150க்கு வந்து பாஸ். அது ஓகே, பாஸ் கிடையாது. ஸோ யூ நீட் டு கெட் த சீட். ஸோ எனக்கு வந்து இந்த பேட்ச் ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருக்கு ஆக்சுவலி, அதனால தான் இந்த செஷனே நான் வந்து பிளான் பண்ணது. Okay, I hope it will be useful. So இந்த நீங்க வந்து கொஞ்சம் எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு மேபி I need formula sheets that I already asked sir, please share it sir. சார் நிலவலகன் சார், எனக்கு நிறைய கிளாஸஸ் இருக்கு சார். நானும் கொஞ்சம் பார்த்துட்டு நான் வந்து அனுப்புறேன். ஓகே, கொஞ்சம் டைம் ஆகுதுக்கு, பட் ஐ ஷூர்லி ஷேர் இட். ஓகே ரைட்மா. ஸோ வில் சி டுமாரோ. சார் புக்ஸ் லைன் பை லைன் படிக்கணுமா அதர் தேன் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ்? புக்ஸ் லைன் சார், புக்ஸ் லைன் பை லைன் படிக்கணும். என்ன புக்ஸ்மா கேட்குறீங்க? சப்ஜெக்ட்ஸா அதர் தேன் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ்? நீங்க வந்து தியரி கொஸ்டின்ஸ் இருக்கு. ஓகே, எனக்கு புரிஞ்சிச்சு. ஸோ தியரி கொஸ்டின்ஸ் இருக்கு, ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் இருக்கு. ஓகே, போத் ஆர் திங்ஸ் ஆர் தேர். அண்ட் டைரக்ட் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் வராதுங்க, நல்லா புரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. கான்செப்ட் வைஸ் வரும். ஓகே, ஸோ ஒரு சிம்பிள் எக்ஸாம்பிள் சொல்றேன். ஆக்சுவலி வந்து லாஸ்ட் இயர் நீட்ல வந்து ஒரு சிம்பிள் பேசிக் கொஸ்டின் வந்திருக்கு. ஸோ நீங்க வந்து ஸ்கூல்ல படிச்சிருப்பீங்க. வாட் இஸ் ப்ரொடெக்டிவ் டிவைசஸ் இன் யுவர் ஹவுசஸ்? ஓகே, ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் வந்து ஃபியூஸ். ஓகே, நிறைய இருக்கு. ரிலேஸ், ஹவுஸ் ஹோல்ட் பர்பஸ் நம்ம யூஸ் பண்றது வந்து ஃபியூசஸ். இது சின்ன கொஸ்டின், இது நீட்ல ஒரு கொஸ்டின் இது. ஸோ இது வந்து சம்டைம்ஸ் வந்து யூ ஃபீல் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் அண்ட் யூ ஃபீல் ஈஸி ஆல்சோ. ஓகே, சம்டைம்ஸ் ரொம்ப டிஃபிகல்ட் இருக்கும். ஸோ அவங்க மேம் சொன்ன மாதிரி பாலாஜி மோர் கான்சன்ட்ரேட் பண்ணுங்க. நெகட்டிவ் மார்க்கிங் அவாய்ட் பண்றது யாரும் கேட்டிருந்தாங்க, நானும் பார்த்தேன் கமெண்ட்ஸ்ல. ஸோ நெகட்டிவ் மார்க்கிங் அவாய்ட் பண்றது என்னன்னா பை ப்ராக்டிஸ். ஓகே, நீங்க வந்து ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணிட்டே இருந்தா ஸோ யூ கேம் டு நோ. ஸோ 100% நீங்க ஷூரா இருக்க கொஸ்டின்ஸ் மட்டும் நீங்க அட்டென்ட் பண்ணுங்க. ஓகே, ஸோ இல்ல நான் வந்து 10% ஷூரிட்டி 20% ஷூரா இருந்தா தான் நான் அட்டென்ட் பண்றேன்னா நெகட்டிவ் மார்க்கிங்ல போயிட்டு வேஸ்ட். ஓகே, நீங்க அட்டென்ட் பண்ண 100 கொஸ்டின்ஸ், அதுல 50 கொஸ்டின்ஸ் நீங்க கம்ஃபர்ட்டா இருந்தா 50 கொஸ்டின்ஸ் 100% இருந்தாலே போதும். ஓகே, பேலன்ஸ் 50% நீங்க விட்டுடுங்க. ஏன்னா நீங்க அதை அட்டென்ட் பண்ணும்போது யூ கேன் லூஸ் யுவர் 50 மார்க்ஸ். ஓகே, ஸோ ஷூரா இருந்தா மட்டும்தான் நீங்க ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுங்க. அது ப்ராக்டிஸ்ல தான் வரும். ஓகே, நான் இவ்வளவு சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கேன், உங்களுக்கு சில பேருக்கு வந்து பசிக்கும், போர் அடிக்கும், எனக்கு நல்லாவே தெரியும். Okay, anyway, so we'll stop here. Okay, so tomorrow we'll see. So just give your feedback in their WhatsApp. Yes ma'am.
Sir, question attend பண்ணாலும் நெகட்டிவ் மார்க்கா, attend பண்ணலனாலும் நெகட்டிவ் மார்க்கா சார்?
இல்ல, question வந்து attend பண்ணாதான் நெகட்டிவ் மார்க். Suppose for example ஒரு சின்ன எக்ஸாம்பிள் கொடுக்கிறேன். So there are 10 questions are there. 10 questions are there. Okay, 10 questions வந்து each question was for 4 marks. So 10 questions na 40 marks. ஓகே, நீங்க அதுல வந்து 9 கொஸ்டின்ஸ் கரெக்ட். ஓகே, 9 கொஸ்டின்ஸ் கரெக்ட்னா எவ்வளவு வரும்? 36. ஓகே, 10th கொஸ்டின் ராங், நீங்க அட்டென்ட் பண்ணிட்டீங்க. ஸோ -1. ஸோ 36 - 1 you'll get 35. ஓகே, ஸோ அண்ட் those who have got all the questions right now they'll get the first mark. Those who have get the next mark, so 35 உங்களுக்கு வந்திருக்கு, so will be the second. ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி தான் அது ஸ்பிட் ஆகும். Practice like MCQ or read the book completely. Niranjan, you have to first of all complete your NCERT textbooks. Okay, அது application oriented. நெக்ஸ்ட் ப்ராக்டிஸ்க்கு வந்து நிறைய புக்ஸ் இருக்கு. நான் ஆல்ரெடி சொல்லியிருக்கேன், MTGs சில பேர்கிட்ட MTGs இருக்கு, சில பேர்கிட்ட நான் ஆல்ரெடி ஒர்க் ஷீட்ஸ் ஷேர் பண்றேன். நீங்க வந்து இது வரைக்கும் எனக்கு தெரியல, அது நீங்க பண்ற மாதிரி தெரியல. நான் அதுக்கு ஆன்சர்ஸ் நான் ஃபார்வர்ட் பண்றேன். படிக்கிறவங்க படிச்சுட்டே இருக்காங்க, படிக்காதவங்க அப்புறம் பாத்துக்கலாம், நம்மளுக்கு வந்து ஜூலை 26 வரைக்கும் டைம் இருக்குன்னு சொல்லிட்டு நீங்க நினைக்கிறீங்க. நான் உங்களுக்கு வந்து ப்ராக்டிக்கலா நான் சொல்லிடுறேன். இந்த இயர் வந்து நிறைய பேர் அட்டென்ட் பண்றாங்க. நீங்க வந்து யாரும் சுபாவோ யாரோ கேட்டிருந்தீங்க. ஸோ 1 இயர் வந்து கேப் எடுத்துட்டு சில பேர் பண்றாங்க, அவங்களுக்கு மட்டும்தான் சீட் வருது. ஓகே, அவங்க வந்து 1 இயர் வேஸ்ட் பண்ணி படிக்கிறாங்கன்னா they know the importance. சுபா, நீங்க தானே கேட்டீங்க?
எஸ் சார், நானா சார்.
ரைட் மேம். ஸோ அதை நான் உங்களுக்கு சொல்லிடுறேன். நீங்க தெரிஞ்சு வந்து 1 இயர் தான் வேஸ்ட் பண்றீங்க. சிம்பிள் எக்ஸாம்பிள், லாஸ்ட் இயர் வந்து ஒரு ஸ்டூடெண்ட்க்கு வந்து 600 மார்க்ஸோ இல்ல சம்திங் ரொம்ப ஹை மார்க்ஸ் வந்திருக்கு. எனக்கு நம்பர் கவுண்ட் தெரிய மாட்டேங்குது. ஷி வாஸ் அ டாப்பர் ஆக்சுவலி. ஷி ஆர் ஹி ராஜஸ்தான் ஏதோ நினைக்கிறேன். ஸோ அவங்க வந்து 1 இயர் 2 இயர்ஸ் வேஸ்ட் பண்ணி படிச்சிருக்காங்க. ஸோ தே நோ த இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ். அவங்க வந்து இதுதான் போகணும்னு சொல்லிட்டு அவங்க பிளான் பண்ணிட்டு பண்ணிருக்காங்க. ஓகேவா? ஸோ டோன்ட் மேபி அவங்க இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ் வந்து எப்படி கொடுக்குறாங்கன்னா, ஸோ நீங்க வந்து +2 கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிட்டு இமீடியட்டா நீங்க வந்து எக்ஸாம் அட்டென்ட் பண்றீங்க, கிளியர் பண்றீங்கன்னா வாஸ் மச் பெட்டர். கிளியர்? ஓகே. அண்ட் இல்ல நீங்க வந்து 1 இயர் வேஸ்ட் பண்றீங்கன்னா, இஃப் யூ ஹேவ் த டெடிகேஷன் யூ கேன் ஏபிள் டு டு இட். அதுல வந்து 2 அட்வான்டேஜஸ் இருக்கு. அட்வான்டேஜ் இருக்கு, டிஸ்அட்வான்டேஜ் இருக்கு. ஸோ நீங்க வந்து பாசிட்டிவ் வேல போங்க. 1 இயர் வேஸ்ட் ஆயிட்டு இருக்குன்னு சொல்லிட்டு நீங்க திங்க் பண்ணாதீங்க. ஸோ அவங்க டாக்டர் வீல அவங்க சொல்றாங்க, பட் நான் வந்து ஒரு ஃபேக்கல்டி வீல நான் சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கேன். ஸோ நீங்க வந்து உங்க ட்ரீம் நீங்க கிளியர் பண்ணணும்னா, நீங்க வந்து அச்சீவ் பண்ணணும்னா யூ ஹேவ் டு ஸ்பெண்ட் யுவர் டைம் அ லாட். Okay, படிச்சதா you can able to clear. Sir, the new and updated syllabus of TN textbooks adequate for the... Yes, it was good ma. Anand, na already said. So those new books are much good. Okay, but better practice பண்ணுங்க. அதுல வந்து syllabus தான் இருக்கும், previous and important questions தான் இருக்கும். தவிர நீங்க வந்து practiceக்கு ஏத்த மாதிரி அதுல questions இல்ல. நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா அதுல வந்து direct questions தான் இருக்கும். டைரக்ட் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் ஒரு ஃபார்முலா எடுத்துட்டு அதுல வந்து சப்ஸ்டிட் பண்ணிட்டு ஆன்சர் கிளியர் பண்ற மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். டிஎன் போர்ட்ஸ் டெக்ஸ்ட் புக்ஸ் எல்லாமே அதுதான். ஓகே, என்சிஆர்டி பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் இன்டைரக்ட் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் இருக்கு ஆல்மோஸ்ட். எஸ் மா சுபா.
சார், நான் எவர்வின் புக்ஸ்ல வந்து வெறும் கிராஃப் மாதிரி கொடுத்துருக்காங்க சார். இந்த கான்செப்ட் மட்டும் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அது வரைக்கும் நல்லா தரவு பண்ணிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் எம்சிக்யூஸ் பார்த்தோம்னா பெட்டரா சார்?
ரைட். நீங்க ஓகே. சோ உங்ககிட்ட இப்போதைக்கு அட் பிரசன்ட் உங்ககிட்ட என்னென்ன அவைலபிள் இருக்கோ நீங்க எல்லாமே பண்ணுங்க, ஒன்றும் ப்ராப்ளம் இல்லை. இப்போதைக்கு வந்து நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா இப்போ வந்து ஆன்லைன்ல நிறைய ஆப்ஸ் வந்துருச்சு, ரொம்ப செட்டிங் இருக்கு. ஓகே, ஆன்லைன்ல வந்து நிறைய ஆப்ஸ் இருக்கு. ஆப்ஸ்லயும் நீங்க வந்து ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ற அளவுக்கு இருக்கு. ஓகே, சோ அதுல வந்து 22 இயர்ஸ் கொஸ்டின் பேப்பர்ஸ், 10 இயர்ஸ் கொஸ்டின் பேப்பர்ஸ் எல்லாமே இருக்கு அதுல. ஓகே, யூ கேன் கோ த்ரூ தோஸ் திங்ஸ். இல்ல புக்ஸ் என்கிட்ட இல்லைன்னா நான் ஆல்ரெடி வந்து ஒர்க் ஷீட் ஷேர் பண்றேன், அது ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுங்க. அது இல்லைன்னா நான் வந்து உங்களுக்கு லிங்க் நான் கொடுக்குறேன்னு சொல்லியிருக்கேன் நாளைக்கு. அதுல எல்லா புக்ஸ் இருக்கு, நீங்க வந்து டவுன்லோட் பண்ணிட்டு யூ ஹேவ் டு ப்ராக்டிஸ். அரௌண்ட் ஒரு 800 MB புக்ஸ் நான் அதுல அப்லோட் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். ஓகே, ஸோ எல்லா சப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ் இருக்கு, ப்ராக்டிஸ் இட். ஓகே, ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்றது உங்க கையில இருக்கு. ஐ வில் சப்போர்ட் யூ, நான் சப்போர்ட் பண்றேன், எப்படின்னா நான் பண்றேன், பட் படிக்கிறது உங்க கையில இருக்கு. ஸோ இதுக்கு மேல வந்து நான் ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் பண்ண மாட்டேன். பட் ஆக்சுவலி நான் எந்த பேட்ச்க்கு இந்த மாதிரி நான் ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் பண்ணல. ப்ளீஸ், இந்த உங்க பேட்ச் எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருக்கு, அதனால தான் நான் வந்து இது பண்றது. ஐ ஹோப் நீங்க வந்து இதுல மேக்ஸிமம் நீங்க வந்து டாக்டர் ஆயிட்டீங்கன்னா கண்டிப்பா நான் மீட் பண்றேன். ஓகே, எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு நம்ம கிளாஸஸ்க்கு அப்புறம் நம்ம மீட் பண்ண மாட்டோம்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஐ திங்க் சார். ஓகே, ஸோ இஃப் யூ கிளியர்ட் இட் ஐ ஷூர்லி மீட் யூ பீப்புள். ஓகே, so right, okay ma, so we'll see tomorrow's class, we'll study more. Okay, thank you ma. So just give your feedback your WhatsApp itself. Okay, as usual na on the video upload pandren. Okay, thank you, we'll see tomorrow.
Thank you sir.
Okay ma, okay, bye.
Thank you sir.
Okay ma,
Thank
bye.
you, sir.
Bye.
sir.
Yes ma, Sri Kailash.
sir, நான் இப்போ 11th தான் சார் படிக்கிறேன்.
ஓகே,
நான் 11th தான் படிக்கிறேன். இப்போ நான் 12th போறேன் சார். ஆனா இப்போ நாங்க
11th தான் படிக்கிறியா? பரவாயில்லையடா, நல்ல ரெஸ்பான்ஸ் கொடுக்குற நீ. நான் வந்து நீ 12th கிளியர் பண்ணிட்டியான்னு நினைச்சிட்டு இருக்கேன்.
11th சார்.
சூப்பர்மா, பரவாயில்ல, நல்ல டைமே பிடிச்சிருக்குடா. நீ இந்த டைம்லயே கொஞ்சம் கான்சன்ட்ரேட் பண்ணு. நீ வந்து தனியா நீ கோச்சிங் 1 year வேஸ்ட் பண்ற அளவுக்கு எதுவுமே தேவையில்லை. நீ அப்படியே ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா நீ போயிட்டே இருக்கலாம்.
சார் நானும் 11th தான் சார்.
யாருமா அது? மகா, இதுதான் நான் பேரே பாக்குறேன். சரி, ஓகே, நல்லதுதான்.
நானும் 11th தான்.
சோ பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ணு. வெங்கடேஷ் நீயுமா? ஓகேமா, சரி, பட் நல்லா இருக்கு. ஸோ நீங்க வந்து அப்படியே கொஞ்சம் கான்சென்ட்ரேட் பண்ணுங்க. நான் வந்து ஆல்ரெடி 12th சிலபஸ் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணும்போது அதை அப்படியே கண்டினியூ பண்ணுங்க, அப்படியே ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணிட்டே இருந்துங்க. உங்களுக்கு வந்து போர்டு எக்ஸாம்ஸ் ஈஸியாயிடும். ஓகே, ஏன்னா வந்து நம்ம ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் நிறைய பண்ணும்போது கான்செப்ட் ஓரியன்டட் போர்டு ஈஸியாயிடும். உங்களுக்கு போர்டில் ஸ்கோர் பண்ணலாம், அண்ட் ஆஸ் வெல் அஸ் நீங்க வந்து நீட் எக்ஸாம்ஸ் நீங்க ஸ்கோர் பண்ணலாம். ஓகே, ரைட். எனிதிங் எல்ஸ்? ஓகேமா, we'll see tomorrow then. ஸோ நான் வந்து என் பண்ணிடுறேன் மீட்டிங் செஷனை. நான் வந்து இந்த ரெக்கார்டிங் வந்து ஆஸ் யூஷுவல் நான் வந்து அப்லோட் பண்றேன், உங்களுக்கு ஷேர் பண்றேன். ஓகே, ஸோ we'll see tomorrow. ஓகே, bye. 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 Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Bye.